Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with clean, slightly hydrated skin. Make sure moisturizer has settled for a moment so the corrector adheres. Next, pick the NYX color that targets the issue. Green neutralizes red, peach cancels blue or purple under eyes, lavender brightens yellowish tones, and explain why this mapping matters. Then, press a small bead onto the back of your hand to warm it. Once done, load a small flat brush or your fingertip and pick up only a touch to layer precisely where needed. Once you have product on the brush or fingertip, apply thin layers directly to the discoloration. You're aiming for correction rather than full skin coverage. Use gentle tapping or stippling motions to blend edges outward so the color melts into skin without moving product around. Make sure to let each thin layer set for about 10 to 20 seconds so it adheres, then reassess whether a second light layer is necessary. This method prevents cakiness and preserves natural texture under concealer. You finish by applying a skin-toned concealer over the corrected area, using a patting motion so you don't disturb the color layer, then blend the edge to seamlessness. After concealing, set the area with a light dusting of translucent or tinted powder, pressing gently with a sponge to lock everything in place. If you see patchiness, don't panic. Remove excess with a damp cloth, reapply a tiny amount of moisturizer to that spot, and relayer the corrector in thinner coats to rebuild coverage cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.